How many times are you gonna fall today? Excitement, Roshan. Come on. Sir, how are you feeling?
Get it back. मजा आ रहा है. Give demo, please. Demo. कभी किसी ने सोचा होगा उल्टा जाएगा? Let him take the stage. He can kind of guide us, introduce about yourself, about Tribal Adventure, and what we're going to be doing today.
Okay. So, myself Yogesh P. I'm a supercross rider and as well as a national champion of 2023. And I started my racing career back in 2017, where it all began tribal. So, from the basic, I started here. And tribal, especially, it was established in 2018, especially for pros and amateurs, where we don't have these kind of facility nearby. I mean, in the surroundings of Bangalore, we don't have such a facility. So tribal was kind of like helpful to each and every rider, whether if it's an amateur or professional. So we have different kind of track here. One is for the amateur, we have enduro track and the supercross track and the dirt tracks. These are the three formats that are available in tribal. So today for you, we are going to do a basic off-road training, which will be including our body positioning, footbike positioning. Basically in body positioning, you will be going from bottom till up.
All set.
Yes, bro. All set.
How many times are you gonna fall today?
None.
Let's see.
गिरे हुए इंसान को और क्या गिराओगे?
Wow, क्या dialogue. How do you find the Himalayan 450?
Himalayan 450, I'm riding from I'm doing a personal training.
Okay.
So I'm riding it from past 2 weeks. I feel very good on this bike. I mean the suspension travel and the mid-range and the top end power is very beautiful. And it is a bit aggressive also compared to the older version. And the main thing is I love the body positioning, where we come on the bike
Handlebar
and
position.
if we hold the bike, the body positioning is excellent.
How's the training session? Why are you not riding?
All thanks to him. Waiting to take it on the track.
See, without training, is planning to take it on the track. What do you have to say?
He's already good on the track.
So how long do you train before a race?
Before a race, our training session almost it will be like weekly 3 days, and the other 3 days it will be like building our endurance and strength, conditioning, everything.
So what do you do to build endurance?
For endurance, I especially go for cycling and kind of like trekkings or everything. And for strengthening, you go to gym, lift your weights, and conditioning, normal exercise and every other thing.
This is the track where the guys will be going.
Drum section. Here we have boulders and there a small pothole and a big kind of. Okay, so we're gonna go one by one for each obstacle. First, we'll just do few laps here. Just know how the soil is here. Okay, just few laps here, and then slowly we'll start with the side wall. Okay, we'll start. Yeah. You go first. Yeah.
So riders are just getting to experience the terrain. Demo laps. So they go like this. Our trainer is here. Laps clockwise and 5 laps anti-clockwise, so that you have a balance on both the sides, left and right.
Next we are going for a side wall. Okay?
One after the other obstacle.
Yeah. One at a time. And later on, all together.
Show some excitement, Rohit. Come on.
Everyone off the bike. Go for this. If the wall is like this, probably front would wash out and your rear also it will wash out. That's why I tell you to go with the bike. When you lean the bike, you can see, when you lean, there is more traction and the grip is more. Almost all your tire part, it touches ground, right? So, little high we can't
You
go.
should be slow, is it?
Slow, come here and I'm completely slow down. If you just
Seesaw.
come straight, you will. Yeah, it's like taking a jump.
This is a seesaw.
You have to stop here when it goes down.
Yeah, if you just slow down, like almost slow down, it automatically goes
Falls down.
Then proceed.
Excellent.
Okay, then one minute.
Hold your horses.
Okay, first straight and ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ಸ್ ತೆಗೀರಿ ಕಾಲು ಇಡಾಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ
Take it easy. Sit for a while. How's the fun? How's the Josh?
Super high.
How was the second time obstacle?
Oh, it was scary, but yeah,
But you did it without any help.
yes, yeah.
How's the session going? Which one did you feel the toughest obstacle till now? Seesaw.
Unpredictable.
To concentrate on your front wheel, okay? Probably you would concentrate fully on your bike. Your front wheel goes here through the center line.
You know, it's his skill, dude. It is his skill. First time I saw him ride the Himalayan, I was like floored. I was like, what is this? What? Still
Once-
remember in 2015, the first Himalayan was just launched. We were one of the we dealers had got the Himalayan bike. No customers had got any of those bikes. So we got it over here and I took it casually. I thought that was the first time I was entering Tribal Adventure Cafe and I was like, I didn't expect all these things. And he was there, Sanjay was there. These guys took the bike, freaking they're riding it like a dirt bike. They're flying over humps and everything. I was scared where the bike would fall apart, you know. But the bike took it and that was when I first truly realized how beautiful that older machine was.
Changed my life. But how do you feel was now?
Oh, beautiful, man, beautiful. We're having fun.
You should write it out and
Maybe next time.
He's still recovering. He just underwent a surgery.
okay.
So he's recovering from the surgery.
Once more intro for the video.
Hi, I'm Dev. I am off-road motorcycle racer and trainer. So I'm part of Tribal Adventure Cafe and Acclaim Motors.
What?
Acclaim, he said, oh, that's why Zoom.
Oh, I think
Supposed to be the most interesting obstacle. Check this out. So this is the obstacle. Crazy. Rohit is already excited.
yes. Already.
See, you'll have to come like this. You'll have to come like that.
Here you have a lot of load.
And then, oh my god, you can't make out the height. This is the height.
You have to enter through the ditch. Wow. I can come out. You ask for ditch, take a ditch.
Oh! Oh my god. So we came, you have to come enter through the ditch like this and then go straight. Oh my god. How was
From
the
there,
incline?
it looks just normal, right? That's why I told you to come on top and just see this.
Fly.
Full flight. No guarantee of landing.
How's the excitement? You should do this.
विकेट कीपर ऐसे खड़े होके करना just in case if anybody comes.
Climb is difficult. Descent is easy.
This is easy. Even if you don't have also, it'll take it off.
I thought ascending was easy, descending is always tough.
No. Here, loose because front tire, probably it will take you somewhere left or right.
But what speed do you need to be at?
Just a
30.
gradual speed from there. You gotta carry gradual speed
No
from there
clutch.
in a straight lane.
Okay.
Don't
Just
let up
hold
your
the line.
throttle and accelerate immediately. Don't come here and accelerate too much. Just a good RPM, carry a good RPM from there. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
This is the main challenge.
This from
This
here till
stretch.
here.
Loose, everything is loose.
Give demo, please.
Tadan, tadan,
Demo.
tadan. Tadan, tadan, tadan. सर एक्साइटमेंट रियल है कि फेक कर रहे हो?
देखते हैं अभी.
Hold the brakes. Just slowly.
Sir, how are you feeling?
Get it back.
मजा आ रहा है.
Slowly. No. You can't take it up now. Okay, keep your weight down. Oh. No. Release. Up the weight. Turn off the weight. Turn it. Slowly. Let it.
Tap the clutch.
No, leave the brake also. Slowly.
Tap, 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 tap.
Please release the brake as well as this one. See? Slowly it goes down. Okay? Slow. Just slow. A bit. I'm holding. Sir. Hold it. Just free.
सर बहुत
A
मजा आ
bit.
रहा है ना?
No. Release. A bit. Ah, that's it.
सर कितना मजा आ रहा है?
Small jerk. Yeah.
अभी किसी ने सोचा होगा उल्टा जाएगा.
Slow. Just a bit.
So much fun missing my bike. Should have bought my bike, so I have plans of selling it off, so I don't want to take any risk in obstacles like these. But I will get it. With trail session, learning session, technical session, now it's the DIY. So we have the trainer here. How was today's training
It
session?
was just amazing with Team Acclaim Motors and as well as you.
So how do people come here? How do they contact you?
Just Tribal Adventure Cafe. You can go to our website as well as Instagram page.
Great. Come meet him
Yeah.
and get your skills
I'll
right.
always be here for you
Yes.
to help out. Please.
Get your skills right, guys.